So let's jump into our exercises. Now I will just open my exercise file. There are many ways to use Matplotlib. In this course, we'll focus on the Pyplot interface, which provides the most flexibility in creating and customizing data visualizations. Initially, we will use the Pyplot interface to create two kinds of objects, figure objects and axes objects. So let's just jump into our first step. So moving on to our first step is using matplotlib.pyplot interface. In a second, I'll just jump into that and let's write our code. So my first step is to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So let's do that. Let's say matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And our import statement has been done. Next, my next task is to create a figure and an axis with plt.subplots. So I'll just say plt.subplots. And then what I will do is I will call the show function to show the result. So I'll say plt.show, and this should give me an empty plot. No data has been added yet. So let's move on to our second exercise.